So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HKey current user. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Office. We're going to scroll down till you find Office. You want to expand that. And now you want to expand 16. And now you want to expand Common. Now you want to click on Identity. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the Identity folder. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space and then click on New and then click on DWORD 30-bit value. You want to call this Disable ADA Laptop WAM Override. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on Enter. And now once you have this, you just want to double click on it. And now in this box right here, you want to type in the number 1. So make sure that under value data, you have the number 1 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and it should be removed.